Introducing our solution for your comfort, the 2.5-ton AC and furnace packaged units, engineered for reliability and safety. They boast cutting-edge technology and high-performance features. Enjoy powerful cooling and efficient operation, perfect for homes or small businesses with limited space. And with our 2-year unit replacement warranty and 10-year parts warranty, peace of mind comes standard. Plus, with fast, free shipping straight to your doorstep, upgrading to our 2.5-ton units has never been easier. Don't settle for discomfort any longer. Experience the difference with our AC and furnace packaged units today.